The boys
The
found
boys
the
found a
typewriter,
typewriter.
and they are
They
fascinated.
fascinated over typewriter. Look at that. Look at that, yeah. Wait a minute. Do you see how he typing? Like he on the phone, you know, the key, you know, on the phone with their thumbs. You see how he typing? That's not the correct position, my son. Telling me, I'm all without telling me, oh, that's not the correct position. You put your hands on the typewriter. That's not your phone. That's not messages. Oh, it's the phone. Yes. We had to take typing class. Yes, we took typing. I mean, if you're using a keyboard or your laptop, you have to know the position of your hands. So we're not that ancient. I'm not that old, as you can see. But y'all young generation. Hope y'all can survive some of the stuff we had to survive off of, because you may have to use it one day, but that's funny. That's fascinating to him, that typewriter thing. The way he holding them little fingers like that. But watch it again, y'all.
The boys found the typewriter, and they are fascinated.